Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by signing in and selecting your source file. This matters because file quality sets the output ceiling. Once signed in, upload a clear WAV or MP3 under 5 minutes to avoid processing delays. Next, pick a voice category, robot, female, or anime, so the tool loads suitable presets. While uploading, check bitrate and noise. Cleaner input means cleaner transformation. Make sure to allow mic access if recording directly. This starts the chain of audible control. Once your sample is loaded, you adjust pitch, formant, and modulation sliders to shape timbre. Move them in small increments to avoid artifacts. You'll want to preview a 10 to 20 second clip repeatedly. This is how you hear subtle changes and catch clipping. If needed, apply one additional effect, like light reverb or gentle pitch shift, and preview again to maintain intelligibility. Remember to save a version after each major change so you can revert. Iterative tweaks produce the most natural result. After you're satisfied, export the result. Choose WAV for highest fidelity or MP3 for compact sharing. Once exported, play the processed file alongside the original to confirm speech clarity and natural pacing. If you encounter artifacts, go back and reduce aggressive pitch or formant shifts, or re-upload a cleaner recording to remove background noise. As a quick troubleshoot, lower modulation by 20–30% and preview. This often eliminates ringing. Save your final project and keep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.